Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will find the missing letters and we will complete the A to Z. So let's get started. Let's find out B. What will come after A? The B will come after A. So keep B here. Next here we will place the C. C. A, B, C, D. What will come after D? E. E will come after D. Now next, it's F. Keep it here. What will come after G? H will come after G. So let's keep it here. Now next, what will come after H? I. I will come after H. So what will come after I? J. J will come after I. So let's place J. Now next is K and L. L will come after K. Now next is N. N will come after M. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now Q will come after P. So let's place Q here. Next is R. P, Q, R, S. Now the T will come after S. Next is U. U will come between T and V. S, T, U, V. Next is W. W, X. And last is Y. Y, Z. Very good guys. So let's revise once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good guys, you have done this. So you have to practice this every day and don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.